If you're still running Amazon PPC like it's 2023, you're already behind. The landscape has shifted dramatically, and if you want to stay competitive in 2025, you need to adapt. Amazon is prioritizing voice search queries, so product listings must align with natural, conversational phrases. Optimize titles, back-end keywords, and content for long-tail, spoken language queries. Amazon's AI analyzes buyer behavior to hyper-target ads, dynamically adjusting based on user preferences. Provide detailed product data to feed AI algorithms. Video ads now autoplay in search results and product pages, requiring professional video content. Create 15 to 30-second videos showcasing product benefits, unboxing, or tutorials. AI tools auto-optimize bids, budgets, and campaigns, reducing manual work but offering less control. Use Amazon's Advantage Plus campaigns for AI-driven automation, but monitor performance weekly. With restrictions on third-party cookies and user tracking, rely on Amazon's first-party data. Leverage Amazon's audience insights for contextual targeting. Augmented reality and virtual reality ads can lead to higher conversion rates, but they are costly to produce. Partner with Amazon's AR/VR ad team for beta opportunities. Shoppers are searching via images, so high-quality images rank better in visual searches. Use high-res photos with clean backgrounds and alt-text keywords. Multi-touch attribution shows all touchpoints before a sale, allowing you to identify underrated keywords and ads that drive early funnel engagement. Stricter title guidelines prioritize clarity over keyword stuffing, and titles exceeding limits may be suppressed. Follow Amazon's template for titles. Limited use of symbols is allowed, and non-compliant listings risk losing visibility. Audit titles with tools to remove redundant keywords, as penalties for spammy titles can lower search rankings. Amazon prioritizes ads for its own inventory, making it crucial for third-party sellers to compete on unique value or niche markets. Amazon-owned products get preferential ad placement, so avoid competing head-on and focus on underserved niches. Promo codes can be integrated into PPC campaigns, leading to higher CTR and conversions. Run limited-time offers and highlight them in ad copy. Granular audience splits lead to higher ROI with hyper-targeted ads, so create separate campaigns for Prime versus non-Prime users. AI can mix and match ad creatives to maximize CTR, reducing creative guesswork. Upload multiple creatives and let Amazon test combinations. Ads featuring customer reviews, photos, or videos build trust and see higher conversions. Encourage reviews with post-purchase emails and incentives. Advanced tactics like Dayparting or competitor conquesting can enhance PPC strategies. Sellers using AI tools outperform manual campaigns, so test Amazon's portfolio bid strategies for Dayparting. AI can suggest high-converting keywords based on competitor data and trends, allowing for faster keyword discovery. However, be cautious of potential bid inflation and exclude irrelevant terms. Finally, real-time bid adjustments and automated rules can help you maximize wins during traffic surges. Set rules to raise bids based on performance metrics to stay competitive.